Happy Vlogmas Day 21. What? 21? Woo! 4 more, you guys. 4 or 5 more. Anyway, whatever. I am so excited this morning because I was getting ready and I wasn't really going to film this morning, but I had to, you guys. I had to film because I was using my new limited edition Dior palette, you guys. This one that I opened up with you guys. It is beautiful. I don't have on my eyeliner, but look at this. This is a beautiful palette. I love the champagne colors for my lids, like a lighter color, and it just has such a pretty glow. Ah, you guys, grab it. Honestly, I would love to grab another one, but I'm not going to. Like, I'm tempted. That's just the way I am, you guys. Go in all the way, but this will last me for a very long time. It's very pigmented. It's beautiful, and I had to come on here a little bit early because I was so excited about this palette. So check it out, guys. Go on there and get you one of these beautiful limited edition palettes. I think there's like 4 different colorways to choose from. So anyway, you guys, I'll be back in a bit. I have to finish getting ready. Peace. All right, guys, so I'm ready. I need to touch up my lipstick. So I just have on red lipstick, and it's cold outside, so I wore just this black turtleneck. Oops, dropped my jacket. And these Free People jeans. And these are my VUITTON boots, you guys. I ordered these boots, and I used Dawn's discount code. I love them. Okay, it feels like I'm wearing socks. I'm gonna go back on there and get another pair, like a beige pair. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are the VUITTON boots. And it's the perfect heel. And it's not too high. Oh, come here, Keith. Come here, Keith. And Keith's outfit of the day, some of you people appreciate this. Look at Keith. What are you wearing, Keith?
My Slayer Christmas sweater.
Oh, yeah. Slayer. Gwenny will appreciate it, Keith. So I decided to take my Chanel 19 bag because after the party, my daughter and I, she's going to go with me because we need to find her husband something. I don't have his gift. You know, there's always that one hard to buy for person, and he's it for me. But anyway, so I just have my hair pulled back as usual. I was going to like fix it, but wasn't feeling it. But anyway, just casual. We're just going to the Mexican restaurant, and I'm going to wear this Max Mara little puffer jacket. I love it, you guys. I need more Max Mara in my life. This is my outfit. Just kind of casual and chic. Hi guys. Okay, I just got home. We had our company Christmas party. We had a really good time. I think everybody was excited. Everybody got a good bonus. They were all happy about it. And it was just a great party. Anyway, and then after the party, my daughter and I, we went to pick up a few things, and I had to get something for her husband, and then we went in this lovely store. It's like a Christmas store. Well, it's not Christmas all year long, but they do have a lot of Christmas things in it. And I'm going to post some pictures because it's beautiful, you guys. The name of the store is Tiger Lily, and I got some things at Tiger Lily, and I got a gift for a very special person at Tiger Lily. But I also got, let me show you what I got. They have all kinds of stuff in there, you guys, you would not believe. Okay, so this is called pineapple salsa. So I thought I would try that. We got some chips, and I thought that looked really good. They have like gourmet fudges and things like that. And then this one, he's got it wrapped up. So let me get it unwrapped and show you. And my daughter bought some of this stuff for Christmas gifts. So I think things like this make a fantastic Christmas gift. Now, this one is peach habanero, and you pour it over cream cheese and eat it with like nice crackers, sesame crackers, different kinds of, like whatever your favorite cracker is. So it's really good over cream cheese. So my daughter got a blackberry habanero, and I thought, why did I not get that? Because it sounded really good. But anyway, I did get a very special gift for someone, and I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm not going to tell who it is because that someone is watching. Okay. So I'm going to get this out in the mail to somebody special, and you are watching, but I'm not going to tell you who you are, okay? It's just a little something something, okay? It's not a Christmas gift. It's just a little something something for somebody special. All right, so I got that. And then somebody baked Keith some kind of a nut cake, fruit and nut cake, because he's done a lot for the FAVS athletic team this year. So you guys, he's famous now. I'm not kidding. We can be in the grocery store. Oh, there's that photographer. There's that videographer. And somebody actually said in the store the other day, oh my God, there's that guy. He's famous. He's famous now, okay? But anyway, so that's what I got. And I've got some packages I see over there. And yesterday I worked half the day trying to get all the rest of the stuff wrapped up. I only have like 1 or 2 more things to get, but I'm done really, except wrapping a couple of things. And there's something I want to pick up, and I hope that I can get it, and if not, I'll get it later. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna take a little break and I'll come back. It's been a great day. Hey guys, I'm just sitting here relaxing on the couch, catching up with the Gowdy gang. I've been gone all day, so we're sitting here texting, and I asked Devin what his address is because, you know, they're going to buy a house at some point, and anyway, he doesn't live where he did live, so I've asked him his address probably 5 times, and I never write it down. So I asked him address. I asked him what his address was, and he's like, why? And I'm like, listen, I asked too many questions. No, I said, listen here, mister, I asked too many questions. Just tell me what your address is. I'm sitting here messing with him. I'm calling him Nosy Pants, and he started laughing. But anyway, yeah. I guess you guys know about the Gowdy gang. It used to be, let's see, it started out being Gwenny, Winnie, Autumn, and Yota. G-W-A-Y. Okay. And then we added Dawn. She's the newbie, but she's not really so much a newbie anymore. But anyway, and then it turned into the Gowdy gang. So, yeah, we're the Gowdy gang. And we have this group conversation a lot. Sometimes I miss out on a lot of stuff, and it is hilarious, you guys, because if I miss out and I just jump in, I'm like, what in the heck are they talking about? But it's always pretty humorous, the conversations that go on in this Gowdy gang group. But I was just sitting here giving Devin a hard time. But anyway, I was just sitting here taking a little break. I'm probably going to just put on my pajamas, wrap a few presents, and put them under the tree, you guys, and I'm finished. I mean, there is something I wanted to pick up for the girls that I had ordered, and it didn't come, or it never shipped. So I don't even know if it's at Walmart, and if not, I'll just get it for Valentine's Day. But other than that, you guys, I'm done. I'm so happy I'm done. All right, guys, it is chocolate time. Chocolate time. Looks like Keith has yet again been into the chocolates, but we still have several. I'm excited, and here's one that I have not tried. Okay, they're still talking, you guys. I told them I had to film. Okay. Anyway, there's one in here. Okay, here it is. This one, okay? This is some kind of a praline, and I cannot even begin to pronounce what it is. I'm gonna look up some of those words, you guys, because I'm gonna get some more of these candies for Valentine's. I may even send Dawn some because she had such a bad experience. But anyway, this looks good. Okay, let's try it. Praline. I don't know what that is, but it has crunch to it. I had lunch today when we went to the party, And no dessert, so this will be my dessert tonight. But anyway. See that? Let me see what it says. Praline with Dandoy Speculoos. Okay, what in the heck is that? That sounds like a microorganism they used to study about in microbiology. It's delicious though. I love when you bite into chocolate and it has that crunch. I'm gonna have to keep these around all the time, you guys. These are addictive. I'm looking out the window because my son is supposed to come by. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay. I'm gonna drink some more water. I think we'll do another one. I think this is the best chocolates, I'm not kidding you guys, that I've ever had. Look at this one, Dawn. It's like a little chocolate ice cream cone. I know that she's so jealous, you guys. It just didn't work out for her this year. And the white ones. Okay, I'm gonna drink some more water and I'll be back and we're gonna have another one. Okay, before I take another chocolate, one of my subscribers had asked me why I haven't been picking on Autumn Beckman much. Listen, she still annoys me, but she's had a very busy year, you guys. And in all fairness, I mean, she really has. She's been back and forth to Oregon and just a lot of things going on with her. And I'm not going to tell her personal business, but I'll be more than happy to start picking on her again, you guys, because I mean, hey, she does a lot of things that, yeah, she deserves to be picked on. I just been picking on Dawn, especially because of her chocolate calendar, but hey, I'll pick on Autumn Beckman all day, every day, you guys. Okay. I don't know if, okay, I don't know what one to pick now because I may have tried most of these with you guys. The heart is raspberry ganache with chocolate from Ecuador. Okay, I haven't tried a heart and there's only one, so obviously Keith or Evan ate it because, like I said, Evan came over the other night and we tore into the boxes. Oh my gosh. Let me read that again. It's called the Suzanne Raspberry Ganache with chocolate from Ecuador. Woo, honey. Okay. Oh. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh, sweet Jesus. This is so good. Look at that. This is the best one. This is the best one. I love raspberry candy, but I don't like raspberries. I don't know if that makes sense. But wow. Look. Pull it apart. Okay. I'm gonna look on the website. And if you can get a whole box of these, I'm getting them. Let me tell you what it was called again. The Suzanne. I swear I can't eat a third one. They are so rich. They are so yummy and so rich. Oh, here's another heart. I might hide that one from Keith. But you guys, it's the best chocolate ever. Okay, so Matt's about to come over. I'll come back in a bit and probably close this video out because I got nothing, guys. Okay, and they're still talking. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm freezing. I went and took my little kimono off because I was so cold, you guys. No matter how high I turn the heat up, it's so cold in this big old house. But anyway, I'm just gonna let you guys go. Matthew is here. We're gonna sit and talk a bit, and then I'm gonna edit whatever it is I have on here. I don't know, because I filmed in increments today, and I've just been gone most of the day. So anyway, you guys, I hope you did enjoy the video, because I don't know what I've got, but we'll see. But anyway, you guys, love you all so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.